Welcome to the world of quantum fiber internet. Today we'll walk you through some quick and easy instructions for your 360 Wi-Fi pods using the Quantum Fiber app. You can download the Quantum Fiber app from your device's app store if you haven't downloaded it already. To download the app, scan the QR code on the postcard that's located in your box with your equipment. All set? Let's do this. First, log into your Quantum Fiber app using the same email and password you set up for quantumfiber.com. Once you're in, tap on Install 360 Wi-Fi Pods. Now, let's review your equipment on the 360 Wi-Fi pod screen. You should have a 360 Wi-Fi pod, power cord, and an Ethernet cord. You might also have an additional pod based on your order. When you're ready, tap Next. Connect your 360 Wi-Fi wired pod W1700 to the SmartNID WAN LAN using the supplied Cat6a Ethernet cable. Good to go? Tap Next. If a technician is handling your installation, they've got you covered. Tap Next. Plug your 360 Wi-Fi wired pod into a power outlet and tap Next. Time to make it yours. Create a unique network name by typing it into the network name field. Now, let's create your Wi-Fi password by typing it into the network password field and confirming it. Tap Next to let the system work its magic. The system is locating your Wi-Fi pod, so sit back and relax. This might take up to 5 minutes. Once complete, you'll see a success screen. This will show your new network and the 360 Wi-Fi pod you just added. Want to give your Quantum Fiber 360 wired pod a special name? Tap next to the pods and make it personal. You can always do it later if you don't have time right now. Need to add more pods? It's easy. Simply tap Add Wireless Pod and follow the steps. If you're done adding pods, tap No Additional Pods. You can then set up your profiles. Ready for the wireless pod? Allow camera access to scan the QR code on the back of the 360 Wi-Fi wireless pod. On the pop-up screen, tap Allow to move to the next step. If you don't want to allow camera access, select Don't Allow. By selecting Don't Allow, you will need to manually enter the serial number of the 360 Wi-Fi wireless pod. If you've selected Allow to allow camera access, you can now scan the QR code. After you've scanned the QR code or manually entered the serial number, plug your Quantum Fiber 360 wireless pod into a power outlet. For a multi-level home, place your wireless pod on a different level than the SmartNID wired pod. For a single-level home, place the wireless pod midway between the farthest room where you need a wireless connection and the SmartNID wired pod. Now that you've selected the best location for your wireless pod, tap Next. Name the location of your Quantum Fiber 360 Wi-Fi wireless pod. Choose from pre-selected options or get creative. Don't want to name it now? Just tap Skip and do it later. You did it! Your network is established. Tap No Additional Pods and let your network optimize over the next 48 hours. Now, the fun part. You can connect your home wireless devices like your smart TV, tablet, doorbells, and more. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings, select your network name, input the password, and tap Join. Congratulations! Your Quantum Fiber network is up and running. Enjoy the fast, reliable connection. If you have more questions, check out the detailed instructions in the Quantum Fiber app dashboard. Happy surfing!